my channel. My name is Tanya. Guys, thank you so much for your love and your continued support. I just want to leave you some encouragement today. Well, for this part of the video, I just want to say keep pushing, keep on doing what you're doing. As long as it is positive, as long as it's uplifting and motivating, keep on doing what you are doing. And remember, everything that you're doing, please speak to the Lord about it first, okay? Especially when you have so much doubt, so much uncertainty, please speak to him for direction and for his guidance. Have a conversation with him the same way you would with a friend. Let's also continue to support one another, uplift one another, and motivate, and just be of courage one to another. We're all on a journey, a unique individual journey, and we all have different assignments, but we just need to know who we are in Christ Jesus. So when you walk into a room, you know who you are. You cannot be like everyone else. You need to stand out, and that is why we're all unique in our own different and special way. And by the way, you are special. You are special. You are special. We are all special. With that being said, I just want to take this time out to thank each and every one for your continued love and your support, and for obviously highlighting me in your videos. And Raquel has been doing that a lot, and I really thank you. I do enjoy your videos a lot. I enjoy Jenny's video as well. I enjoy Ernestina. I enjoy Esther, so much more. I really don't want to be doing a name calling, but there are some people that really go all out for me, and as well Vibes 39 TV, the same thing as well. And for those who do not have a YouTube account, a channel where they are vlogging and posting, you all know yourself, because our relationship offline is completely different. It's unique, it's love. And my friends are like my family, and they know themselves. Yes, definitely. And especially those who make me be a godmother, she knows herself. Yeah, she goes all out for me. Sonia is my girl, so we have a different type of relationship. Oh yes, like she's like So with that being said, I just want to thank everyone for their kindness, and yeah, I don't want you guys to think that it's ignored. We're all busy, we're working, and it's not always easy to keep up, to be fair with you, but we'll do our thing. We'll do our thing. Okay, we'll do our thing. Actually come and we need to actually come and have breakfast here, isn't it? I love, what I need to start doing every now and again, once in a while, come and have a bit of breakfast outside, because where we live we have so many coffees and cafes and breakfast places. But honestly, sometimes when you're off, you're just so exhausted. Like, I'm always making plans with my friends, and sometimes I cancelled. You might think that I go out all the time. I don't. No, I tend to bail out last minute. So I discovered this dessert shop, which is just on the high street from where I live. I couldn't believe it, because all this time I did not even realize that this shop opened down here. I'm not really a huge fan of like a lot of sweets and treats, but when I saw it, I was like, oh wow, this looks amazing. But every now and again we have a little bit of a sweet tooth, and I do recall last night I felt so much in need of having like a warm, like dessert type of thing, like for example I like sticky toffee pudding, for example. And when I saw it, was like, oh my god. And I literally asked the gentleman in here, I said, are you guys new? It was like, yeah. But one of the reasons why I wasn't aware that this shop is down here, it's because I work so hard that I literally just come out of the station, go home, station, home. So I don't really have or get a lot of time to really pop down the local high street from where I live and see this. Shop is amazing. The customer service in there is top notch. And here I'm being served. I decided, of course, why not treat myself to something refreshing? So I got this sparkling lemonade, and also the glitter one as well. Yes, for me and mommy. It was really good, honestly. So I'm going to treat myself to a lot more on the next visit. see that I live in this area. I did not even realize that this shop is actually here now. For someone who actually works so hard in hospitality, I need to treat myself. So I am not getting any sort of dessert right now or ice cream, but I've just actually ordered like sparkling kind of lemonade and a glitter one, something like that. Yes, so happy that the shop is here. We are going to round up a pot right now, okay, and then we're going to relax and watch some good movie, reset and recharge for another day. Let me show you how we season up this chicken, okay? So we're about to cook our stewed chicken for dinner today, and of course we would have cleaned up our meat nicely, and of course we season it well. We've got a lot of garlics here, we've got our onions, we've got our carrots, we've got our tomatoes, our bell peppers, we've got our spice and things like that. Now you can add any type of season that you like for yourself, and of course depending on your family as well, and if you have children, so you may want to be mindful of the amount of spices that you would have added in here. Obviously our oil is now heated, so we are going in to throw all this, including the seasoning that mommy would have, seasoned her chicken with: the thyme, the tomatoes again, the bell peppers, the carrot, and things like that. Because what my mom naturally likes to do is to cook in all of the season together with her meat. Let me tell you something, it adds so much flavor, and everything just like absorb really, really well, and you can taste it, after she finished cooking. Basically, sometimes, to be honest with you, I just can't wait until she finished cooking because everything is just on point. So do season your pot, according to your likings, and take it from there. Naturally, what she tends to do as well, when she puts her meat into the pot, she then covers it and leave it to steam on its own. So check this out. So we're also going to have some steamed cabbage as well for vegetable on the side. So obviously we cut up our cabbage, and we have some bell peppers here and a piece of butter, because that's what's going to use to steam the cabbage. And then of course we move on. Mom is basically throwing in some remaining Irish potatoes as well, because this would also help to build like the body as well of the gravy. But to be honest with you, the gravy consistency is already on point. But Irish potatoes, some carrots, good to go when you're doing your stewed chicken. From looking at this and tasting it, because I tasted it before completion, you would have seen all the season that was added into that pot, into that gravy. And that's the whole point of her. She extremely loved to cook in all of her season into her meat pot. And of course here we're steaming our vegetables, the cabbage, and of course the bell peppers and some mixed vegetables. So yeah, it's kind of good to balance out the meal. Please remember to like the video, share, and tell your friends and your family all about our channel. And you can leave a comment if you want to prepare stewed chicken this way. Why not? Go ahead. That's the whole point of basically sharing. You may just fancy like, what do I want to eat for dinner? But you couldn't think about it. But then of course, if you see this video, you might be like, I'm gonna have some stewed chicken and rice with some cabbage, or actually this goes well with ground provisions to the core. Per usual, I'm the original taster. I've just tasted the gravy. It tasted amazing. This stewed chicken is on point. And one of the things that we actually naturally like to do is kind of cook earlier, especially when my mom is off on a Sunday, because not all the time. And then yeah, we can then have the rest of the afternoon to ourselves, prepared, iron for work tomorrow, all that kind of shenanigans. So I do have a movie there to watch, and yeah, that's what I'm gonna do while I'm having my dinner. She also had steamed some rice, and she prepared some steamed vegetables. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. and we're just gonna relax, because I don't understand how the weekend goes like that. Ignore the noises in the in the background, not the machine. The machine is what making the noise. And thank you guys so much. But yeah, I'll show you when we dish this out.